Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have opened up the Fall Guys game on your device, then you might notice that there is no option to log out at all. So if you wish to log out from your account, then you will need to log out from the Epic Games application as well. In order to do this, just open up the Epic Games launcher on your device, and you will be taken into the store page right away. From this page, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on the sign out button. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Just provide your confirmation and you will be signed out from the Epic Games application right away, and this will also sign you out from the Fall Guys game. And now if you wish to sign back in, you will need to sign in through the Epic Games launcher as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out from the Fall Guys game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.